Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will start new chapter, that is chapter number 3, self help, taken from Be Positive, a textbook of moral value standard 7. So before without any delay, let's get started. First of all, I am going to explain that what is moral value. Well, moral values help us to understand the importance of our courtesy in our life. It also tells us about how to maintain discipline in our life and never become rude and proud. It also tells us about how to maintain our health system and improve our health. So these are the value. It is very important to grasp this value and acquire the value so that we the people will live happily. So in the first two chapter, chapter number 1, we have come to know about how to stay humble and always a humble person is always respected by all. Second chapter we have come to know that it is very important to maintain our health health so that we will become healthy and do all the work so in uh, great mood. So in this chapter, the 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 value that is discipline, we will come to know that why discipline is to is very important in our life. So the habit of doing one work by oneself should be developed. So in this chapter it tells us about that everyone should be develop the habit. Everyone should make a timetable and develop a habit so that it will help us to live in a systematic way. Goods of anyone should be protected. Paying attention to reading and writing is a must. Always pay attention that what you are reading or writing. A routine has to made for daily work. So disciplined people always made made always follow daily routine for his work. The participation in the family work is also necessary. Every activity must be completed in a pleasant mood. The habit of expressing problems in any business to senior and friends without any hesitation is to be developed. So it is very important to develop all the good habits to live or and to be a social person so that we live happily in the society, in the place where all the people live. So this is a story about a boy named Santanu who always follow the routine that he has made. Let's start from the first paragraph so that we will know the about the Santanu and his behavior. Santanu wakes up daily on time and freshness himself up. He goes to his reading room and does his homework. After completion of his homework, he helps his parents in household work. His parents are satisfied with his behavior. Santanu knows well how to protect the good he uses. He cleans up his clothes, things, living room and studying room himself. He completes the class and homework on time. He expresses his doubt before his teacher. If he did not understand the lesson, he is always ready to solve his problem. Well, this paragraph it tells us about the story about the lifestyle of Shantanu who always follow his daily routine Or that is, he always wakes up on time and got fresh. He always goes to his reading room and does all the homework that he had got. And when he had completed the homework, he helps his parents to do household chores. His parents were also very satisfied with Santanu behavior, and Santanu also know that how to protect the goods. Goods mean the thing that he use regularly. He also cleans up his clothes, things, living room and studying room himself. He completes the classwork and homework on time. He expresses his doubts before his teacher if he does not understand the lesson. Whenever he is unable to understand the lesson, he always tried to do by himself to solve the problem. He is always ready to solve it. Whatever the problem that the Santanu face in his life, he always try to solve it problem and always ready. Next paragraph, Santanu helps in the household work. He helps in the kitchen work. He is always ready to do farm work and other chores. It is his daily duty to help in prayer. He puts the thing used for some purpose in the right place after their use. He never wasted the food. He had made a timetable for reading, writing, playing, listening to the radio, watching television, reading, and other work. So, this paragraph, Shantanu helps in the household work. He also helps his mother in the kitchen work or his father in the other work, that is farm work. He also does prayer every day. He put the thing, whatever the thing that he used for some purpose, he always keeps back that thing on the right place. He never wastes the food. So one important thing is that we should never ever waste the food. That food is very important source for our energy. And every time whenever we go to attend a party, every time we see a lot of people waste the food without any proper reason. So it is, we should not do this, we should avoid this, we should not waste the food. Here the Shantanu had also made a timetable for reading, playing, writing, listening to the radio, watching television, reading, and other works. Shantanu had good thought. He is a very optimistic person. One has to do her work by himself. He says he is helpful when his friends are in trouble. He counsels them not to be afraid of the problem. He said that we must show good. So it, Shantanu always Shantanu had always thinks good about someone. He is very optimistic. He is very extrovert, optimistic, always positive, no matter what the situation is. Even in the bad situation, he always be positive. And it is very important for us that whatever the situation that we face, whether the situation is good or bad, we should always be positive no matter what. He is helpful when his friends are in trouble. Always be helpful whenever some of your friends will be in trouble. And he also advised his friend or someone that not to be afraid of the problem. No matter what the problem, whether the problem is whether the problem is big or small, we should never ever afraid of the problem. He said that we must show good behavior to the friend. Also, Santanu said that we should also behave good with the friend and not be becomes rude and arrogant. Because if we behave good with others, they will respect us. They will respect us. But if we become rude and arrogant, they will not respect it. Therefore, it is easy to work together for him with the cooperation of all. He advised all not to make the places of living, playing, and reading dirty. He also advised that not to make the place of living, playing, and removing dirty. He managed property, the dirt and dust when some activity take place. Whenever we do some activity, we should collect all the dust and dirt and throw it to the dustbin. He said, tell only the thing which you can do and do as you tell. He also said, do what you tell. If do whatever you do what you are supposed to do. Shantanu said that we should always speak the truth. Always do what you can do. If you are unable to do, it's better for us that we should not tell that thing that we can do. And also we should always speak the truth, no matter what, because truth is bitter, but truth is truth. He freshen up immediately after he wake up. He meditates and keep the mind in control. He always wake up on the time, and whenever he wakes up, he meditates and keeps his mind calmly. He practiced simple exercise. Later he did everything according to the routine he had made. After that he had some done he do that some physical exercise, and then he did everything that had mentioned in the timetable. Shantanu tried to apply the theoretical knowledge gained from his study into practice. He advised his friend and younger sister and brothers to do so. Because due to these habits, Shantanu is good in his study too. Always follow the timetable that we made for our daily routine. It is helpful for us to be a good person or always be punctual on the in the work. He is smart and quick. The things are in the right condition which he used. He is praised for completing the classwork and homework on time. Everyone loves and admires him. Everyone likes to imitate self-reliant behavior of Shantanu. He is very smart because he does all the work by himself and tried always ready to help others. Always follow the timetable and always be on time. And also he was praised by everyone for completing the classwork and homework on time. Each and every person loved Shantanu and praised him, and some of the person like to imitate the self-reliant behavior of Shantanu. Do you behave like Shantanu? What difference do you find between Shantanu behavior and your own? What kind of behavior should be developed to be self-reliant? Well, well, we should we should behave like Shantanu. And the difference between Shantanu behavior and our behavior, that some of us do not follow the timetable, and also sometimes we do not help someone who is needed our help, and also sometimes we become rude and arrogant. So it's we should be avoid this we should avoid this bad thing and always follow or always be positive, punctual, always help others, and always follow the timetable that we made for our life. This kind of behavior should be developed to be a person like Shantanu. Hope you have understood this chapter. Next video we will do question answer. Thank you.